Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XRP coin. Previously, I shared an idea for my members at the Patreon that the price line of XRP has formed a very big bullish harmonic Gartley pattern on the weekly time frame chart. And I also shared this idea with you as well in the form of video. Let me to play the chart and show you what the price line is doing right now. I'm just going to play the chart. And now we can see that the price action completely entered the buying zone, and now it is getting reversed and moving to the upside. And on the smaller time frame, it has formed another bullish harmonic reversal move that I have shared today at the Patreon, and that is the bullish harmonic bat move. And I'll also share this move with you as well in the current video. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas at the Patreon on the daily basis. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description to join me here. You can find in the description. Now, first of all, let me show you different support and resistance levels that the price line is having right now on the long-term weekly time frame. Like here we have a very strong support at 40 cents because we are also having the 100 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart, exactly where we have this 40 cents. Then we have the 200 simple moving average and 50 simple moving average supports, and you can see that this 50 simple moving average support is exactly at the same place where we have a very strong key level support of 60 cents. And you can see that previously 60 cents level has been working as a very strong resistance, and now it is working as a very strong support. Like recently we had a very strong bearish move to the downside, and from here the price action is reversed bullish to the upside and broke out the next resistance of 70 cents, and now it is using the 70 cents as a support. And if it will be successful in retesting this 70 cents as a support, then it can even break out the next resistance of 80 cents. Then we have the next resistance at $1, and after that there will be the next resistance at $1.70. This is the level where the price action moved previously, and we had an issue of SEC lawsuit, and the price action dropped down here at 60 cents, even moved between 60 to 40 cents, and now it is getting reversed back to the upside. And after breaking out this $1.70, it can move up to break out all-time high that is more than $3. So it is very important resistance. But in order to move here, first the price line needs to break out several resistance levels, like we have 80 cents, dollar, and then $1.70. Now at the same time, if we switch to the small time frame on the 4-hourly chart, here the price action formed this rising wedge pattern. Recently the price line has broken down this support of the rising wedge and almost hit the target of this rising wedge. That was the tail of this rising wedge. That is exactly we have at 69 cents, and you can see that the price action moved at 70 cents. That was very close to this target, and now it is reversed here back to the upside and retested the previous support as a resistance, and again moved down. And here we can expect a double bottom on the 4-hourly time frame chart if it will be reversed bullish from here, because on the weekly time frame, even on the smaller time frame, we can see a very obvious support of 70 cents we have, and on the weekly time frame it is also breaking as a very nice support so far. Now we can also see that here the price action is forming some kind of harmonic move. If we switch to the smaller time frame, more smaller, that is on the 2-hourly chart, then here the price action has formed a bat move that I shared today at the Patreon. Let me show you this move as well, and this was formed on the 2-hourly chart that I shared a few hours ago at the Patreon. And let me play this chart as well to show you what the price line is doing right now after playing this chart. At that time, this leg was just completed, and this is the target as per the Fibonacci sequence. I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price action reversed bullish and hit a spike up to this level and move down back in this buying zone. But I believe from here we can have a powerful reversal because the price line is likely to form a double bottom. Like we can see that here we have a very strong support at 70 cents, a reverse move, bullish to the upside, again move down, and here it has also formed a bullish harmonic reversal move, and we can have a continuation of the bullish move that can lead the price line to break out the next resistance in the near future. But if the price line will be failed to save the support of 70 cents, then it can move down to the next support at 60 cents again to retest that support once more. However, I'm expecting that from here, the price line can move up to the next resistance at 80 cents to break it out. Now let's move to the price targets of the bigger time frame, this big bullish guardrail pattern, and we can see that as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish guardrail move, the sell target starts from $1.09 and goes to $1.66. And I believe that once the price line will have a powerful reversal, like it has started a powerful reversal to the upside from this buying zone or potential reversal zone, it can even break out the next resistance of $1.70 to move to the final resistance of approximately $3. That is also the all-time high of XRP. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis you will find here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.